Today we're super excited because it's the first time that we're going to talk fashion on our channel. And what is more, we will talk about 5 facts of Lady Dior, which is my very favorite bag that you haven't known about. So let's start.
What's the first fact?
So it was designed in 1994, and first it was called Chou Chou.
Chou Chou.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. What does it mean? Which language is it from?
Well, it's French, and chou means cabbage. But if you say chou chou in French, that means something like a little darling, something really sweet. It's
cabbage.
Cabbage. Little darling, yes.
Aww.
And they also call it favorite. The second fact is, it was offered to Lady Diana, to Princess Diana, when she was on her visit in France. It was offered by Bernadette Chirac, which was back then the wife of French president, as a gift.
Which one was it that she's given? Was it the same?
The black one, medium, the very classic
the
one.
that you are so busy for.
Oh god, yes. I'm going to get this bag.
Is it exactly the same design from back then, or is it changed?
I think the gold is more intense than now. Now it's more like a champagne gold, but overall it kind of stayed the same, yes. And she looked amazing with it. What is more, she completely fell in love with the bag, and she ordered all of them. I mean, like the models that were available back then.
Yeah.
So yes, she made it famous, basically. She carried it all around the world, for charities. She was in Argentina with this bag. She was with her family carrying this bag. So thanks to her, Lady Dior. First of all, thanks to her, the bag was called Lady Dior, and when it hit the stores, it was a total success. And she gave it the It Bag status.
Ah, so the lady comes from...
Yes, it was baptized after Diana.
Oh, that's
Diana
nice.
was wonderful. She's like the perfect person for this bag.
So what's the next fact?
Well, the next fact is that it's made in Italy by Florentine artisans. Yes, and the very next fact.
So what is it? Is it just a company, or...?
I mean, it's just not made in France.
Ah.
Yes, it's
Why not?
I think
Is
that
it because like Italy is like the
so
center
good at
of
leather.
leather?
Yeah, they are just
okay,
the
that's
best.
interesting,
They are the best, and you can see when you touch the bag, and you see all these details. It's
Yeah,
I know about it already. we have inspected it throughout.
We've
I
had
would say
conversations about it.
Yes,
so, but it's really good to find out something better.
it's perfect. I know it's extremely expensive, but it's so worth the price. Considering that, it's another fact. It's made out of 130 leather pieces, and it takes no less than 8 hours to make, and it has to be made by 7 artisans at least. So, and it's handmade.
Why is it that? So how many? 80 pieces?
No, 130.
130 pieces?
Yes, leather pieces. Leather pieces. There's also fabric there, there's metal pieces. So it's really a lot. You see just the bag, but it's a work of art.
There's a work behind it that is just...
It's amazing. You can actually watch on YouTube about how it's made, but it doesn't show the whole process.
Amazing.
Yes. So yeah.
So you've got 4 facts here.
3 facts?
3 facts.
No, 4 facts, yeah. 4 facts. I'm horrible at maths. Okay,
I'll keep the count, but I was supposed to keep the count, but obviously, as you can see...
You're just too drunk. Okay, so the very last thing, it has this beautiful pattern, this crystal-like pattern. It's called canage, and it's a really beautiful story behind it. Canage, it's French.
Okay.
This crystal-like pattern on Lady Dior, it is inspired by the chairs of the Napoleon III. And these chairs were used on the Christian Dior's first show in 1947. So Christian Dior really loved these chairs, and now this pattern is used throughout a lot of products of Dior, even cosmetics. So it's called canage stitching, and it's this very signature stitching, this signature print of the Dior house.
Quite a few bags have that as well, isn't it?
Yeah, Miss Dior, Lady Dior, some croisière, it's called like some little purses, you can get wallets, you can get eyeshadows with this print as well.
Yeah, true.
Yes, and I think lip glosses. You know that in history, this very first show made Dior super famous. It was an instant success. It completely revolutionized fashion, this new look, the rounded shoulders, beautiful.
She could talk about Dior
I could.
and
Can I talk a bit more?
on and on and on. I think we've had a really wealth of information here, so
Yes.
really useful.
Yeah,
Thanks for that.
I was
think I'm
gathering for
falling in
years.
love. Yeah, I think I'm falling in love with that bag more and more and more.
Yeah, I'm going to
Although
get it.
I really love the Dior Estino as well. It's sometimes the more I go with you, the more I'm like looking at other bags.
Yeah, we will also discuss the story behind other bags of Dior. So stay
But
tuned.
thanks for that. It was really useful,
Okay. I wanted to shock you a bit. Did I?
especially with the cabbage.
Cabbage, yes.
So I will remember that for sure.
You can call me Shushu.
Cabbage.
Okay. So yes, I hope you find it useful as well, and that you will like the video and subscribe to our channel. So see you next time then.
See ya. Bye.
Bye bye.